Hi, today we're at Mennel Milling Offices in Fostoria, Ohio, and we're here today to crash their office.
Mennel Milling has been in business for 125 years, since 1886. This is our corporate offices that we're at, and they've been a customer of Friends since 1997.
They purchase all their office supplies from us and have also been a recent large volume for us for office furniture.
So we're here to crash their offices, so let's head on. Woo!
Hi Connie, it's Denise. Oh, thanks.
Oh no! We're doing something even better. We're crashing you. We just wanted to say thank you. You guys have been a great customer. You guys know you've been buying with us since 1997.
Yeah, we looked it up, 1997, so we felt that you deserved a little bit of a reward for that, or a token of appreciation.
Well, thank you for letting us come in. Can we get a picture with you guys in the basket?